this is a problem from section 5.5. In this section, we're going to use the rational root theorem to list all possible rational zeros for each equation, and then find any actual rational root. So what we're going to do today is what we did in class, last class, the class when I introduced this concept, the rational root theorem. So this problem is problem number 6. Like I said, I'm trying my best to provide the key problems, the ones that I know is covering, the ones that I know are covering more of the concepts that you're going to go through. Number 6 is this one, 4x cubed plus 12x squared plus x plus 3. We are going to find the possible, going to list all the possible rational roots. What the theorem says that you're going to, after having descending order, what we're actually using is this one, the constant, and the leading coefficient, which is that one. So factors of the possible roots are going to be the ones that we get from here, getting factors of 3 over factors of 4. Factors of 3, 1 and 3. Positive or negative 1, positive or negative 3. Factors of 4, positive or negative 1, positive or negative 2, and positive or negative 4. Then we go from here, combining all, right? We can actually, if we want to, we're going to try to see which ones are working. So then we're going to make a table here, and with the use of a calculator, we're going to find them very fast. So this is going to be x, and this is going to be p of x. This is a polynomial, right? So we just start by dividing 1 over 1, then 1 over 2, then 1 over 4, like this, right? So start with positive 1, negative 1. Positive 1, negative 1. Then positive 1/2, negative 1/2. Then we go positive 1/4 and negative 1/4. Then we start with the 3, now with this one, repeating the process. This is going to be now with this one. Then after we're done with that one, continue with the 2, and at the end with 4. So it's positive or negative 3. I'll use the other color just to positive 3, negative 3. From here, getting positive 3/2, negative 3/2, and I'm going to need a little more spaces here to add 3/4 and negative 3/4. We don't have any repeating, right? So it's positive 3/4 and negative 3/4. Now, with the calculator, this is going to be easier. We use the calculator. And what we have to do is something like you were already practicing in class, but I just want you to, let's see if this helps. Go to y and insert the polynomial that we have, which is 4x to the third power. Don't forget to go down. Plus 12x squared plus x plus 3. Double check if you have it right. 4x cubed plus 12x squared plus x plus 3. After this, we have to set the table. To set the table, you go second and window. See how this one says outer and outer? No. We want the independent, we want to give it to them. So ask, because we want those specific values to put in the table. Ask, and that one is okay if it is outer. Y is p of x is outer. We're done with that, so we go second table. We're here, so it's expecting us to put all those values. So to start with 1, enter, and we're going to be highlighting only the one that's giving us zeros. 1 enter, negative 1 enter. We have 1/2, 1 divided by 2, then negative 1/2, no 0 yet, 1/4, enter, negative 1/4, 3, negative 3, bingo, we have a 0. Negative 3 is one of the zeros. And then we want 3/2, 3/2, negative 3/2, 3/4, and negative 3 divided by 4. Okay, so out of that set, the only rational zero that we obtain that this polynomial has is negative 3. Probably the other two are going to be either complex or irrational, you know, but the only rational zero is negative 3. So I can, you know, you guys are going to copy all this information here, but I'm just going to save time. The only zero that I got was from from negative 3. So this is the first one. And that's what they want us to do, find the actual zeros. So we have negative 3 is the one that we obtain from here. And the only rational, they're asking only for the rational. So the only rational zero for this polynomial is negative 3. And that's it. Hope this helps, guys.